Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can basically interior design using Nano, which is the latest model from Google to create images. Now, first of all, guys, it's important to notice that, well, you can use actually any image that you have, okay, to create something better or to create like a revision or an editing of this image. In my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this room in here, which is an empty room. But in your case, what you can do is you can take a picture of the empty room that you want to interior design, and this is what you can upload into the Gemini, okay? So this is what I'm gonna upload, this same image. Now, I prefer that it's empty so I can start adding elements one to one. You can also add a certain mask in Photoshop to kind of keep things the same or to modify all the specific bit, okay? Now, what are you gonna do is you're just gonna give this a complete prompt on how you wanna edit this empty room. So I'm gonna copy paste something for you in here and you're gonna see what I mean. It says here, restyle the living room to Scandinavian minimal look. It says keep floor and ceiling the same. Chain walls to warm off white, and I'm giving this a color code, which you can easily Google in, just Google. You can, for example, Google for color palette, and you can select the color and just give the hexagonal code. All right, this is gonna help the AI know exactly what you wanna do. And now it says, add a sofa with a three-seater with thin oak legs, texture light gray fabric. Use reference image 2 for fabric. Now the cool thing about Nano is that you can use multiple images. If you click on upload file, you are not going to be able to upload this image, but also many, many more. So you can give, Nano a certain reference on this, and it's going to try to do that for you. Okay, so if I, for example, upload an image of a fabric, such as this one here, with my instruction, Nano is going to try to make a sofa with this kind of fabric. Okay, so just download this kind of image and upload it in here. I'm just showing you like the basic things that I'm doing, okay? And now it says, add a low walnut coffee table, a green potted fiddle leaf by the window, and soft diffuse morning light from left. Preserve for, window position and scale. Output, put total realistic camera height and 35 millimeters equivalent. This is going to be very useful for getting the kind of image that you want. So here you just have to give like the, the focus, the camera height, and the output style. Now, like I said before, in this case, I'm going to remove this because I'm not going to add any more reference images besides the empty room. But I recommend that you add as many reference as you want. Now we're just going to click on create images and we're going to give this a go and see how it looks. So as you can see, this is a very complex thing that you can do with any empty room, and you can add as many things as you could like. Let's give this a second to go. There we have it, amazing. It looks very good actually. It improved kind of the lighting a little bit. It added like a table, like a sofa with this kind of texture, even if we didn't add it specifically. It understood that pretty well, and it added a plan even, So it looks pretty good, okay? This is how it looks so far. Now we're gonna go back and we're gonna say, you can edit this as much as you want pretty much, okay? So we can also say add a painting in the right wall, and it's gonna try to make a modification to this image and just add what we added it to add, okay? Let's give it a second. So this is perfect because, guys, it's gonna allow you to basically do a lot of modifications, okay? So look, it's actually worked amazing. It only added like a small painting in the right wall, but it didn't, modify any details besides that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much how you can use it. Thanks so much.